Hello guys, this is Anastasia, and as always I'm showing you houses that it's available in Cincinnati. Even now when prices are went up, you still can find some good deals. And this property is in a higher price range. It's around $70,000. But I just want to show you difference difference between 40,000 and 70,000 looks like. And street, I love this street. It has a garage in the back. I believe it has AC unit. It's really private, really quiet street. You don't have neighbors next to you. It looks like a really nice house. So, and this is the agent. If you want to contact him, let's go inside and see how it's inside. Street is beautiful. Okay, immediately smell is not good, and that's good for investors because usually conventional buyers, people who look to buy a house for themselves, when they walk into the house and it doesn't smell good, it's a turn off. It's nice. It has a dining area. It has kitchen, decent kitchen. I would just paint it. Cabinet, it's really nice. So, but we are looking on how many bedrooms this house has. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to go to the basement. Okay, let's try. Let's start from the basement. Start from the end. Some damage here. Decent basement. It has newer water heater. And not sure what is here. Wow. I'm not gonna go there. Okay. Cabin was living here. And laundry. And this has a toilet here. Not sure where this door leads to. Oh, it's a garage. Okay. I like it so far. It doesn't smell moldy, it doesn't have any cracks, so it's really nice basement. Carpet needs to be removed. So this is the living room. And from the first floor we have bathroom, which I don't see that anything needs to be done here, just clean. One bedroom. It's not large rooms. Not sure if carpet can be cleaned really. Probably you're gonna need to replace it. 2 rooms. Rooms are not really big, but decent size. How do you like this wall? Okay. So 2 bedrooms on the first floor and a bathroom and a kitchen. And let's go to the second floor. They pull carpet so you can see it's wood, nice wood floors down, which I really love it. I don't know why people put carpet, and it's all wood panels here. So not sure what's happened here. Built on shelves. Another bedroom. Closet. Fabulous. Girl was living here with this fabulous carpet. So I would probably pull carpet out and stain the floors. That's it. So it's 2-bedroom or 3-bedroom even. One, I'm not sure if they're gonna count this as a bedroom. Section 8, I mean, because we're renting to Section 8. 1, 2, 3. And from a first look, it's look like this house just need carpet. But it's also, you see like some touch-up paint. This probably paint the door or replace the door. Other than this, it's really good house. The issue is, are you willing to pay 75,000 for this one? So leave me a comment below if you like it or not. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you.